This is stateroom 4237, and it's a suite. My first suite on Carnival, actually. So you see we have this lovely setup of glasses. We have this interesting locked door here, which I have no idea what it actually entails. We have a nice couch, a couple of chairs, a table, TV, and all the things that you might want. It also has a big empty cabinet, which probably used to hold a different cooler, but this one is with it now. So it's obviously an adjoining cabin, which of course I did not book that way, but should you want to, you could. Now, over here, we have this great sitting area for getting yourself together. And then in here, we have a lovely walk-in closet, lots of storage, and of course your life vests. And a separate bedroom here. Hi. And we have a lovely view of the Queen Mary over there, and all this nice balcony. Now, let's talk balcony real quick, because this has one of the few wraparound balconies on this ship. This is Carnival Miracle if you haven't already got that, but yeah. So I can go all the way around here, and you see there's the lovely big dome for the Long Beach terminal and the gangway of people getting on the ship. We have the Queen Mary looking absolutely beautiful. We have an announcement coming.
Good afternoon, Miracle Family. The following announcement is for guests Anita Allen Roberts. Anita Allen Roberts, the Carnival Celebration located on the cruise ship.
Beautiful view of the skyline of Long Beach. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of balcony here. I mean, I could have a party on this balcony if I wanted to, but yeah. So, serious balconyage on this suite. And this is, by the way, there's two ways of getting into this bedroom. I showed you the first way, that's the second way. Now, what we have not covered yet is a bathroom, which has to be here somewhere, right? If I was a bathroom, where would I be? Maybe here. So sneaky, hiding it behind that door. Okay, we have a double sink, very nice. We have a lovely mirror. Hooks here, hooks on the door. Lots of storage. And look, when you have a suite, you get a bathroom with a shower, which is my favorite combination. I don't like it when they separate them. And then, of course, a toilet, which is totally fluffy friendly. And all kinds of sinkage. Look at that. Even the floor is like tiled and everything. Yeah, very nice. I think I can manage in here somehow. Okay. This is this wonderful balcony suite. We have a good, monitor-sized TV more than anything else. And there's actually power there if you need it. And here we have a mirror. We have a very small safe, good for passports and jewelries. We have we have a drawer that likes you to open with two different hands, which is kind of hard to do when you're holding a camera. And so you've got 4 of those. Now over here we've got, do we have any power? No, but we do have 2 USB, which is a start, I suppose. And some little tiny doors. Little tiny doors. You have a light switch between the two pillows, but no power. And then this one has the same exact setup as the last one. So this is a great suite. I'm really enjoying the balcony more than anything else because I'm a sucker for a wraparound balcony. I mean, who isn't? But yeah, this is a really nice suite. I'm enjoying it.